Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 1, 2025, brought to you by CINFIN Securities. The Colombo Stock Exchange ended the day on a strong positive note. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, surged by 271.77 points, closing at 19,914.25, marking a 1.38% gain. The S&P SL 20 index also posted a notable increase of 132.58 points, ending at 5,894.75, reflecting a 2.3% rise. Both indices showed bullish momentum, indicating investor confidence across key sectors.
Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 4, 2025, brought to you by CINFIN Securities. Today, the All-Share Price Index closed at 19,786.23 points, showing a strong decrease of 0.64%, or 128.02 points. This upward movement reflects overall positive market sentiment across most sectors. Moving on to the SP/SL 20 index, it closed at 5,857.61 points, decreasing 0.63%, or 37.14 points.
The total market capitalization today stood at 6,974.74 billion rupees. The market saw a turnover of 7.37 billion rupees, with total crossings amounting to 1.50 billion rupees. The highest crossings were recorded by Digital Mobility Solutions Lanka and Commercial Bank of Ceylon.
Looking at overall market activity, the total market capitalization stood at 6,923.87 billion rupees, highlighting the strong value of listed companies. The total market turnover for the day was 7.37 billion rupees, showing healthy trading levels. Additionally, total crossings amounted to 336.68 billion rupees, suggesting active institutional and negotiated trades. Among the companies that recorded the highest turnover today were John Keells Holdings plc and CT Land Development plc.
Domestic investors dominated total market purchases, accounting for approximately 7,299.78 million rupees, or about 99% of all buying activity. Foreign investors contributed the remaining 1%, with purchases totaling 67.18 million rupees. On the selling side, domestic investors also led with sales of 7,155.81 million rupees, representing 97% of total market sales. Foreign sales were modest at 211.15 million rupees, making up just 3% of the market sales. Domestic investors dominated total market purchases, accounting for 4,461.99 million rupees, which represents about 99% of total buying activity. Foreign purchases stood at 74.69 million rupees, contributing the remaining 1%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded sales of 4,453.76 million rupees, making up a significant 97% of total market sales. Foreign sales were relatively subdued at 8.93 million rupees, representing just 3%. Now let's take a look at the top gainers of the day. They were led by SMB Finance, non-voting, followed by Radiant Gems International, TAL Lanka Hotels, Associated Motor Finance Company, and the Nuwara Eliya Hotels Company. These counters showed notable price appreciation during the day, reflecting strong investor interest and positive market sentiment. Here are the top gainers of the day. Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc saw a gain of 0.10, representing a 50% increase. Singhi Hospitals plc was up by 0.80, a 11.11% gain. TAL Lanka Hotels plc increased by 0.40, a 10.23% rise. Bansai Royal Resorts Hikkaduwa plc gained 1.40, a 6.8% increase. The Nuwara Eliya Hotels Company plc closed by 1.20, a 6.35% gain. Conversely, the stocks that saw the biggest declines today included TESAGRO, non-voting, TESAGRO, Bansay Royal Resorts Hikkaduwa, Ceylon Hospitals, and Gestetner of Ceylon. These counters experienced downward pressure during the trading session, reflecting selling interest and profit-taking in selected stocks. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. SMB Finance plc saw a decrease of 0.10, a 33.33% drop. Mercantile Shipping Company plc voting was down by 18.00, a 6.11% decline. Swisstag, Ceylon, plc fell by 5.40, a 5.14% loss. York Arcade Holdings plc decreased by 9.75, a 4.59% drop. Eastern Merchants plc was down by 0.40, a 4.4% decline. Let's now review the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Hatton National Bank led the gains, driving the index higher and reflecting strong investor confidence in the banking sector. John Keells Holdings also made a solid contribution, highlighting ongoing optimism in the capital goods sector. Commercial Bank of Ceylon added further support to the index, boosted by healthy trading volumes. DFCC Bank helped maintain overall stability in the ASPI, with broad buying interest seen among banking stocks. Lastly, National Development Finance also played a positive role in today's index performance. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Starting with DFCC Bank plc, which provided a significant boost to the index, reflecting positive investor sentiment in the bank sector. Sampath Bank also contributed strongly, underlining continued confidence in the banking sector. CT Holdings plc was another notable positive mover, adding valuable points to the index on the back of healthy trading volumes. Royal Ceramics Lanka plc supported the ASPI's overall stability today, with buying interest seen across food, beverage and tobacco stocks. Finally, Industrial Asphalts, Ceylon, plc also contributed positively to the index's movement. Lastly, let's review the top negative contributors to the all-share price index today. ACL Cables was a significant drag on the index, reflecting cautious sentiment in the capital goods sector. Cooperative Insurance Company also weighed heavily on market performance. Lanka Milk Foods added to the downward pressure with a notable decline. Sierra Cables and Lanka Ashok Leyland closed lower as well, completing the list of key stocks that contributed to today's market weakness. Together, these movements led to the softer close we observed across the broader market. Thank you. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. John Keells Holdings plc was among the main stocks pulling the index lower, reflecting cautious trading around the capital goods sector. Melstacorp plc also weighed on index. National Development Bank plc added further pressure, with declines in the stock impacting overall market direction. Access Engineering plc and Bukit Dara plc closed lower, rounding off the list of key stocks that contributed to today's downturn. These movements together shaped the softer close we saw in the market. Thank you.